Kanti ezingenayo zithi phansi amaphaphu kubalandeli bebhola nakubathandi beqembu le-TX Galaxy ngemva kokuba bebekhathazekile ngokulimala komgadli we-TX Galaxy uBernard olimale enkundleni emdlalweni obuphakathi kweMamelodi Sundowns kanye nayo laphana-ke i-TX Galaxy alimale waphuka ithambo ngesikhathi beshayisana noBonganzungu eMamelodi Sundowns wabe sephuthunyiswa esibhedlela nokumdlalo bagcina i-TX Galaxy unqobe emaphenathini. Abalandeli bebhola nabalandeli be-TX Galaxy bebekhathazekile ngalo mdlali uBernard owalimala kabana enkundleni nokubenza balahle ithemba ukuthi usangakwazi ukuthi alulame aphinde abonakale enkundleni egijima ngenxa yesimo ayelimale ekuso. Kanti-ke abaphathi beqembu le-TX Galaxy babese bebethi phansi amaphaphu kubathandi bebhola nakubathandi beqembu kanye nakubantu bebeseka lo mdlali obephukile. Lokhu kuze emveni kokuba kubonakale ividiyo esabalala ezinkundleni zokuxhumana ezikhulumela yena uBernard ngesikhathi ezibongela kubathandi bebhola nakubathandi beqembu le-TX Galaxy kanye namafans akhe kanye nomndeni wakhe. Uphinde wagqamisa ukuthi phansi amaphaphu kubathandi bebhola nakubathandi beqembu le-TX Galaxy nabamthandayo usazobuyela agijime enkundleni njengalokhu i-surgery yakhe ihambe kahle.
Hi guys, the surgery was a success. Thank you so much for the love and support, especially from my family. I love you guys. Mr. Uzokwazi and the TX Galaxy family, the coaches, the management. Thank you so much for the support. My captain, well done on your man of the match performance and getting us into the next round as a team. Everybody that sent messages, especially the other soccer clubs, thank you so much. And our supporters, my supporters, thank you so much for all the well wishes and all the love that you guys has been showing. I really appreciate you. See you guys soon on the field. God bless. One love.
Run back, Daz.